so I'm just having a look at this terrace here. Very, very nice. The place is just being painted now. So here's one room, alright? And here's some photos on there, very interesting. So this will be another room as well. You've got a toilet, basin, shower, and then you've got another balcony here as well. So this one goes there. It's not a bad location. 10,000 a month for this one. So I'll just pop down here. It's just been painted at the moment. So there's another room down here, and then there's the shop front. I think it's a massage shop currently, or going to be, but that's a soy I walked through a few times. So this isn't bad, guys. I'll have a look in this room now. Like, here's another bathroom as well, guys. So a bathroom on each floor, another room here, and we'll just have a quick sticky beak out here. So there's the street view. You've got the clock tower right there, actually, guys. I don't, like, you can just see a little bit of it. But very, very nice. 10,000 a month. Like, I didn't count the bedrooms, but very, very good. Like, you could have something set up there. You could even make another room in there. But we quickly go downstairs because I don't have much memory in the iPhone 6s. But this here is the lower level. So here's a toilet, and they do those flooding barriers. So here's the back courtyard. So you could have a kitchen here. Painting has been done now, and tiling is being put down now. So here's like the code. So this has been painted here. So it is a pretty good location. 10,000 a month. This one will be a massage shop of all things. But there's the clock tower, guys. Very, very good location. 10,000 a month, and 2 levels. Haven't counted the bedroom. It's got security cameras there. You'd put another camera around as well. But yeah, very, very good location. Like 10,000 baht a month. Hit the likes, subscribe if you haven't. But this is just showing like an actual unit that is 10,000 a month, and just showing you inside. Painting is going on now, and also tiling. So the other floors will be painted. So I don't know when this will be open, but we'll come back and do some more showing of this property as well. So I certainly hit the likes, guys. This is Chiang Rai, if you hadn't worked it out by that. So Chiang Rai, guys.